Namaste, and welcome to the 30-Day Yoga Challenge. This challenge was designed to help you achieve your goals and establish a regular yoga practice. Yoga can bring so much into our lives. It can help us reconnect to ourselves, feel more at home in our bodies, find peace of mind. It can truly change lives. But to feel the deep benefits of yoga, we actually have to practice. And this is where things get tricky. We all have busy lives. Maybe you're working full-time, or you're studying, or maybe you have kids. And it can be hard to make yoga a priority, even though we know it's good for us. That's why, over the next 30 days, I'll be sharing with you simple tips and tricks, helping you to shift your mindset, improve your motivation and self-discipline, and eventually build the habit of daily yoga. Along with this video, you'll find a habit tracker that you can download and print. We'll be using it over the next few days to set our goals, our intentions, and to track our progress. Also, make sure to join our Facebook community. This is a place for you to share your experience, ask questions, and find support. We're looking forward to having you there. That's all for today. I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Until then, enjoy your practice.